Wake up! Oh, wake up, Sadie. I know. Morning people, not morning people, we all need to wake up a little bit more with yoga. Sorry about that. Oh, tricky Sadie. All right, so today we're going to do a wake-up sequence for more energy, more fantastic day ahead, okay? How we start is very important. So you can use this to help you wake up and gain more energy on the mat, whether it's your yoga practice in the afternoon or evening, but we're going to pretend that we're starting in bed because it's how you wake up that dictates the whole rest of your day. So come to lie down on your mat. Should feel nice. Yes, we wake up early to rock our yoga, don't we? Yeah. So here in bed, you're just beginning to wake up. I want you to take a big, delicious stretch overhead. So reach your arms all the way out. I'm sure you, like me, have all of your malas and bracelets on and your yoga ring. See, it's stretchy in the morning. But wherever you are when you wake up, here you are, just waking up with the breath. So everyone stretch and inhale really deeply. On the exhale, bring your knees in and give a little hug. Again, inhale, stretch out long so you can start waking up from the core. Exhale, pull the knees in and roll. Inhale, stretch out long, and you do it your style. So exhale, you can take both knees in or one at a time. Inhale, good. I like how Shara's curling her head up. That's really nice. So you can exhale and get a nice back body stretch. Everyone hold this now. So keep your head curled up. If you're not already, just curl a little more and stretch out through that back body. Take a little rock and roll, just tiny little rock and roll here and again, and maybe a third time. Massage out that lower back. Now bring your feet down to the floor. Slowly wrap your right knee over your left. Take a little arm straight out, maybe like a T, or you can bend the elbows, and then slowly drop those knees to the left. So not a long twist, but a nice yummy one with the inhale down into that low back and hip area. And exhale, relax a little bit more. Let your head fall to the right so you complete your twist that way. Inhale here down to the pelvis, and exhale, spin. Now slowly come back to center. Unwind yourself, and then rewind. Left knee over right. Take a deep breath here, and on the exhale, tilt those knees over so you take the nice twist. And the head can roll over towards the left, so you get that full spinal detoxification like a sponge wringing you out, helping to energize the organs, and they really need it to work optimally to help you process out all those delicious toxins and last night's dinner. So we're going to inhale here and exhale. Slowly come back to center this time. Walk your feet to center. One last time, hug the knees into the chest. And this time we're going to all roll onto the left-hand side. So left-hand side. So we're still just kind of chilling, coming out of that bed. And then I want you to roll yourself all the way up to sit. Now here, sitting in bed, a beautiful time to get a little core work done, isn't it? That's right. That's what I think. First thing when you wake up. But we're going to start really slow. So widen the feet a lot. Take your hands underneath your knees. Inhale, lean yourself forward and open up to the sky. And still hanging onto the knees, we're going to rock that yoga right back. And you'll notice you can lean back a bit farther that way. Inhale, forward and up. Keep doing this. Keep breathing. You know, when you fall asleep, you get the spider webbing of connective tissue. We call it the fuzz. And it grows all over everything. That's kind of gross, huh? All over every muscle, all over every joint. But when you wake up in the morning, you can bust the fuzz, like Smokey and the Bandit. You can inhale and open up through your heart. I don't know where that came from, but I'm really glad it did. Exhale down. Now inhale, lean yourself forward, reach your arms to the sky. Make Charlie's Angels Mudra here. Nice to wake up fierce. Inhale, lean through a little bit. Stretch that low back out. So we do get to dissolve that fuzz. As we exhale, come back, and you can just lean a little bit. Inhale, forward. Big time, deep breath. Exhale. If you're feeling frisky today, then you lift the feet up. Inhale, forward, and exhale. Press the sit bones down, reach and rise through the feet. Inhale, forward, and exhale. Now remember that belly breath we do. So inhale all the way down to that belly, squeeze and lift pelvic floor muscles, belly and higher. One last time here, and exhale everything. Okay, now we're going to slowly put the feet down. And pretend you're getting off the bed, but you are, we're not. So you're going to get off the bed, put your feet on the ground, we're going to roll right up to stand. So right to the front of the mat, and begin to roll slowly up to stand. Reach your arms to the sky, all the way up, 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 up. Stretch and greet the day. And on your exhale, hands to your heart, bend the knees and fold. So a nice wide stance here. Inhale, look forward, bend your elbows, put fists, one fist in your opposite elbow, and slowly roll yourself down. Squeeze those fists a lot, bend the elbows a lot, and let that lower back completely release. We don't exactly know why, but fists and bent elbows is a central nervous system signal to relax the muscles of your back body, so it's nice when you first wake up. Begin to slowly release the hands down. Keep your knees bent this time and roll up into a little stronger pose here, a chair pose. Reach up at a wide chair. Squeeze your feet together. Energize the body. Inhale. How you doing back there, everybody? Okay, exhale. You feeling a little more energized? All right, you can do it, people at home. Yogis at home are rocking it with us. Inhale here. Exhale, go a little bit lower. Take a deep breath in. Fist to the opposite elbows and fold all the way down. A little straighter leg this time. Inhale, lift the belly, look forward. Exhale, fold it down. Just starting to wake up. Release your hands down to the earth. Now this time, bend your knees and begin to roll yourself to stand. We're going to do a half sun salutation. So take your arms all the way up. Reach, reach, reach. On your exhale, palms through the heart at namaste. Bend the knees and fold forward. Inhale, look forward, prepare. Exhale, fold over the legs. Just play the edge. You can keep your knees bent for a while. Inhale, prepare and look forward, little bend to the knees. Exhale, begin to roll yourself up to stand. Inhale, stretch. Find your breath again. Exhale, slowly fold all the way down. Bend the knees a bit and play the edge. Feet down, inner thighs lift. Look forward on the next inhale. Exhale and fold. And begin to roll yourself back up to stand. Now a little more energetic, maybe a little quicker. On your exhale, fold yourself down. Inhale, look forward. Exhale and fold. Good. Slowly roll it up. One inhale, reach and rise. Exhale, fold it down. Last time down. Now inhale, look forward. Exhale and fold. Good. Look forward, prepare. Plant the hands and step yourself back to your first downward facing dog today. All right. And you can just walk here for a little while. Walk, 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 walk. Bend the knees over to the right and stretch and twist. And the left, get that low back worked out from the day, and then bring your knees down to the earth. Take a little moment in child's pose. I want you to take a quick breather here through the commercial break. Keep breathing into this deep belly and low back, and we'll be right back with our core sun salutations to wake up, people. We all need it sometimes.